Here we go then. He's got the runway. Can't wait to watch this. Jesus Christ! That would fucking take someone out.
Kill him. That's what I said when it come down that foot.
So what's the speed on that, you reckon?
It's about 60.
Jesus.
Another one does 200. Yeah, well, I was about 150. It's so hard to say.
Whoa! Jesus! Fuck!
I do touch and goes at things because it's only got 3 wheels.
Yeah.
Because it's only got 3 wheels, but touch and goes, you've got dodgy because the wind catches.
Oh!
You didn't want to do that.
Lewis.
Oh, you I was going to do touch and go. I was going to have to mate. You get it on video? Good man,
oh shit. Oh no, let's have a look.
What a wife. You get, you see, when people come out and show off.
Oh yeah.
I reckon I could fucking glue that. Oh no, I can't.
Oh fuck.
What's left of it? Oh,
Lewis.
That's only, yeah, that's all, the engine's alright. See, that's what you get, you see, other people come out and show off.
Oh dear.
That's right, it's only 60 quid for a new plane. You know how much the actual plane costs? That's all it needs, the plane, everything else is alright.
Fuck.
That's what you get, you see, for fucking showing off. That's quality. That's an excuse for a new plane.
It's fucked.
Oh, he's fucked.
It's absolutely mangled.
I haven't crashed one, you know, for about fucking 4 months.
So mangled.